Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is the giveaway video for the background designs vote. So the newest set of templates is the mini album mashup album number 2 that I released about a month ago. Well, a month ago today. And I do a giveaway where we vote on which background designs we want to see it released in next. So today there will be 3 new background designs. No, they're not new. They're not new backgrounds. 3 background designs put on this template will be released today, and they'll be available in my Etsy shop as the time of this video goes public. But anyway, the introduction video to this, which I will link right here, all you had to do was comment below below that video your 3 votes, and then as long as you're a subscriber to my YouTube channel, you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel to win. So if your name gets called, if your name gets pulled up on this little thingy here, then I have to check to make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then I will show you your name on film here, right? So that is all you had to do in order to enter, and there'll be 3 winners picked today, and each winner will have the choice of getting one of the 3 ones that 3 sets of templates that I released today, or 2 of them or 3 of them, depending on whichever they want. You don't have to get all 3, but you can if you want to. The templates are the same templates, they just have a set with a different background design on each one of them. So it's totally up to you. You could get 1, you could get 2, you could get 3, but there'll be 3 winners, and the winners will have to contact me via a special email down below. That is the only communications I use in that, with that email is giveaway winners. So if you want to see what we're talking about besides that introduction video, this is the album that we're currently working on, and we're almost finished. So this is technically a Halloween album, but it doesn't scream Halloween. It's cutesy. That might scream Halloween. But anyway, if you want to see how we have made this album, I will link that playlist up here. I don't know, words are hard for me today. I'm not really sure what's going on. But I'm going to move this aside. I just wanted to show you that. So let me show you the background designs that got the most votes. And they are the music notes. So these are what the Etsy listing looks like. The music notes. And this is printed on paper. Just regular OTB copy paper. And I'm using a printer that's out of 1 ink. I didn't mean to, but they were already printed, and I'm not going to reprint them. They're out of 1 ink, so it's trying to compensate, and the coloring looks a little off, so don't pay attention to these. But these background designs have been around for a while, so you can look on your computer and see these different photos on the listing. So music notes, that's what the Etsy listing looks like. That is the second picture, and then the third picture looks like this. So it shows you the same template. You get it in 3 versions. You get to choose your background design that you want on your templates. And then you also, as a bonus freebie with your purchase, you get the plain set and the guide set. Okay, so the plain and the guide come with every one. You just have to choose which background design you want. So there is, I don't know if I showed you guys that before, but anywho's. So music notes, floral, and then that's what the second one looks like. And again, of course, we have the, I don't know why I printed all 3 of these off. I guess I don't know. Anyway, music notes, floral, and then the vintage script, one of my favorites of all time. Vintage script, and then of course it shows you what the 3 different sets of templates look like. Okay, so those are the 3 that are now available in my Etsy shop, and I am going to pick a winner. So I use the YouTube random comment picker, and I have already pulled in, I put the URL in for that video I've already pulled the comments in, and I'm going to hit start. So if it looks choppy over the next few minutes, it's because I have to go check and make sure the person is a subscriber, and if they're not, I'll just redo it. So it could take 10 tries sometimes to get a single winner, but I just feel like that's the only fair way to do it. You have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, right? I mean, if you want to receive a gift, you have to be a subscriber. I don't know. Does that make sense to you guys? I think it makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna hit start. I'm gonna let my, you know what I should do? I should bring my camera down to you. There we go. I'm gonna hit start. Well, maybe a little closer. And we'll go from there. Okay, congratulations to @HeidiMelton2496. You are the first winner of the set of templates. So you either want, I think you're going to want floral, because that's what it says. Vintage script, floral, I'm sorry, I forgot I was so scooched in, or music notes. You need to contact me via the email that I have in the description box, and you have until November 19th to contact me. That's a week. You have then that long to contact me, and even if I don't see it right away, because like let's say you contact me on the 19th and I just haven't checked it that day or whatever, you're still going to get your prizes. It's just you have to contact me within that week, okay? So congratulations to you. And that was winner number 1. Whoops. So let's pick another winner. I don't know why that keeps coming up. Ready? Okay, I have checked, and @DebbieFreeze2752, you are the second winner. So you get to choose between the music notes, vintage script, and floral. Contact me via the email down below by November 19th. And then, okay, so congratulations to you. Let's do one more winner. All right, wonderful. I have checked, and @ValerieJackson2096, you are the third winner, and you chose, oh, you got 2 of them, vintage script and music notes you chose. So you helped pick the background designs available. Can y'all see that? I hope it's clear. So you 3, congratulations. You need to contact me via that email that is in the it's in the description box. It's also in the first pinned comment. Contact me via that email and we'll get the ball rolling. So congratulations to you. So again, you remember, you need to pick between vintage script, floral, and music. You can have all 3 if you want. You can have 1 if you want. You can have 2 if you want. Either way, just contact me via that email and I will verify that you are you, and we will get everything going. All right, so congratulations to you 3. And let me show you the next drawing is going to be December 10th, 2025. So in order to enter into that giveaway, under this video, I want you to comment your vote for the next 3 background designs, okay? So what's left are faded floral, hearts, butterfly, light wood, vintage polka dot, and grungy wood. I think that's it. Yep. Those are the 6 that are left. So you make your 3 choices and leave me a comment down below. And make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. How to check, I'll put a link down below so that if you wanted to check to see if you're subscribed, you just hit that link and it will show you whether or not you are. Sometimes it's hard to tell, I know. But anywho's, so those are your choices. So that next drawing will be December 10th. So the drawing will be open until December 10th, until I do the recording. So, all right. So I have one more thing for you guys. What? Did I put this on? No. Yes, I did put this on backwards. That's okay. I have one more thing for you guys, and that is a coupon code. So I have a coupon code for the next, is it 2 weeks? Let me look at my calendar. No. Yes. For the next 2 weeks, you can get 20% off. It's Mashup, M-A-S-H-U-P, 20% off. There are a few exclusions that are not included, and if you have any issues with this, you can use it. You can use it as many times as you'd like over the next 2 weeks. But again, there are some exclusions that apply. But if you have any issues with the coupon code, just contact me via your purchase and I will refund your 20%. But some people have a hard time finding the area to put the coupon code. And I wish I had a solid answer on that, because I think it depends on your device. Depends on how you're purchasing. But there is a place to put a coupon code. And I don't think they make it that obvious. So that stinks so bad. But anyway, if you have any troubles, just contact me via your purchase and I'll refund the 20% on the eligible purchases. Be sure to be subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment. And good luck to all of you for the next time. And congratulations to the current ones. All right, you guys, I think that's all I've got to say. I'm hoping that's all I got to say. And I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.